From the echoing clang of hammers in ancient forges to the sophisticated hum of robotics on today's factory floors, manufacturing has evolved dramatically over centuries. This journey from the steam-driven innovations of the Industrial Revolution through the electrical advancements of the 20th century has now ushered us into Manufacturing 4.0. At the core of this new era is the transformative power of connectivity, fueled by the revolutionary speeds of 5G technology. Envision a world where machines interact with seamless precision, predicting maintenance needs and streamlining production with unparalleled efficiency. This vision foretells not just the evolution of factories, but the birth of tomorrow's industries. As we transition into this era of smart manufacturing, powered by 5G, we're turning challenges into opportunities, heralding an age of efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. Let's embark on this exhilarating journey, exploring how this technological leap will fundamentally reshape our lives. In the midst of an industrial renaissance, 5G technology emerges as a beacon, radically transforming manufacturing. Far beyond a mere upgrade, this revolution enhances operational efficiency through real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and automated decision-making. Visualize a landscape where every piece of machinery interconnects flawlessly, data streams incessantly, and machines make autonomous decisions, all made possible by 5G's ultra-low latency and high-speed data transfer. This stark contrast to previous technologies, marked by delays and disruptions, underscores the monumental leap 5G represents in manufacturing. From automotive to aerospace, its impact is profound, with precision and speed in manufacturing reaching new heights under the governance of 5G-enabled smart systems. This exploration into Smart Manufacturing 4.0 bridges our storied past with a promising future, demonstrating the vast potential ahead. Powered by 5G, the manufacturing sector isn't merely advancing. It's being redefined, necessitating adaptation to remain competitive. As we delve further, the journey of innovation continues, with 5G lighting the path towards manufacturing excellence. Standing at the threshold of a new manufacturing era, 5G technology marks the beginning of significant transformation. This shift brings industries into a world where delays are almost non-existent, decision-making is instantaneous, and operational efficiency reaches new heights, heralding a wave of advancements. Factories of the near future will see machines autonomously optimizing production and preemptively addressing maintenance issues, all facilitated by 5G. The imperative for industrial sectors is clear. Adopting 5G is not just advantageous, but essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Today, as we step forward, the future unfolds, powered by 5G, inviting us to explore a realm filled with unparalleled possibilities and growth. Let us lead this march into a new epoch, equipped with 5G's transformative capabilities.